Hello and welcome back to Gunadecor Ideas. If you're passionate about transforming interiors into breathtaking spaces, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the art of turning traditional homes into luxurious sanctuaries. Whether you're looking for inspiration or planning a complete makeover, this video has everything you need. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your support helps us create even more amazing content. Your home's first impression starts at the entrance. Transform a plain entryway into a grand statement by upgrading your front door with intricate woodwork or glass accents. Add a luxurious chandelier in the foyer and replace plain flooring with polished marble or herringbone hardwood. Small changes here can create a big impact. A traditional living room can become a luxurious retreat with just a few updates. Add a custom fireplace surround made of marble or stone. Consider coffered ceilings or crown molding for architectural detail. For furniture, choose plush seating in rich fabrics like velvet or leather to enhance both comfort and elegance. The kitchen is the heart of your home, and a luxurious makeover can make it shine. Opt for bespoke cabinetry with gold hardware, high-end appliances, and exotic stone countertops like Calacatta marble. Layered lighting, including pendant lights and under-cabinet LEDs, can add both functionality and ambience. Your master bedroom should be a luxurious oasis. Start with an elegant canopy or upholstered bed as the focal point. Add an accent wall with textured wallpaper or wood paneling. Include a cozy sitting area with a chaise lounge for relaxation, and ensure lighting options provide both ambience and practicality. Luxury doesn't stop at the door. Transform your outdoor space with manicured gardens, water features, and an outdoor living area. Think about adding a pool with custom tilework or a fire pit surrounded by plush seating to create an outdoor retreat. Luxury meets convenience with smart home technology. Install systems to control lighting, temperature, and security with the touch of a button. Consider adding hidden speakers, automated blinds, or a home theater for a modern edge to your traditional home. Luxurious spaces are defined by their details. Incorporate large-scale art pieces, elegant mirrors, and bespoke decor elements. Personalize your home with monogrammed textiles, custom rugs, or family heirlooms to balance elegance with a sense of warmth and individuality. Add timeless charm with unique architectural details. Arched doorways, alcoves, or a custom-built wine cellar can elevate the space. Consider a home library with floor-to-ceiling bookshelves and a cozy reading nook for a touch of sophistication. Thank you for joining us on this journey to transform traditional homes into luxurious masterpieces. Remember, a few thoughtful updates can turn the ordinary into the extraordinary. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Gunadecor Ideas, and let us know your favorite makeover idea in the comments. We can't wait to inspire you again. Until next time, happy decorating.